got back from another trip, this time to Germany and Hungary, for the Munich Auto Show. And of course we got more packages for video review. Let's see what we got here. So this is from the company Benlari. I've received some other products from them. I believe this is a set of turn signals for a quad. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, a set of UTV turn signal kit. I have a perfect candidate for this, so we'll install this later. I'm not gonna open the whole box, but you can see what it is here. So here we are with this Polaris 570, and we have these lights that are specifically for these kind of vehicles. So let's see how it is. Here are the instructions. Here is the switch box, the actual switch. Here are the controls, left and right, emergency light, horn, turn signals, and all the wiring that goes to the back. This is what goes into the battery. And here are the actual lights. So let's figure this out. Left front, I assume, or maybe doesn't even matter. Here's the other left. And some screws to install, some tights. So one of the first things to do is to connect the system, the kit, to the battery, which is down here. We took the seat out already, which was pretty easy, positive and negative, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So it looks like we have a dead battery. We don't have any power here, so it looks like we're gonna need something to power the battery here. Let's see if we can make it work. So for now we're gonna follow the instructions and put the lights in these holes that already are here. Just run the wire through it. And apparently it's not even the right battery, so we're gonna try to charge it here with this new product, and let's see if it works. Hopefully it will. Let me see. I heard something. Oh yeah, it turned on. Seems like this works. So that's pretty good. Immediate response because the battery was completely dead, so revive it, I think. Let me check something here. So this is charging, as you can see here. I'm gonna reconnect the light set that I was installing here when the battery died the other day I came here. So let's see. The lights are working now. The right side. I mean the right side and the left side, so the other left. Both are working, so they're good. The actual controls are lit up. Let's see if, where's the horn? Here. Wow, pretty powerful. So that works too. So we have a two-in-one success. We're charging and we completed at least the electrical installation for the lights. Now the only thing left is to drill the holes here for the controls for these switches that I just showed you. These two. And that will be it. So we'll show you when that's done, but we have a functional thing. We like it. So I'm here with Brandon, the owner of this, what is it, Polaris RZR 570. So this little light kit, it's good for it, right? Like you kind of needed it because like you didn't have these lights and all that kind of stuff.
Now we have a blinker, we have a horn.
Yeah. And
it's all gonna get, you know, wired in professionally, but we're doing a few
you mean
things.
I didn't do it professionally? No, I know. But anyway, it has to be properly wired and all that. And again, like all the controls, these 3 switches have to go somewhere here.
Yeah, up in the dash.
And I also, you recommend that the horn has to be somewhere inside because the water.
Be high because of the water.
Okay.
Along with the spraying.
Yeah, the brain has to be up here under that.
Correct.
So we're not going to be able to finish that installation today, but it's a good addition, right?
It's a very good addition.
Yeah. Thank you for letting me use your Polaris for it.
Thank you very much.
Going back to work, right? You're doing that big project.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So we'll come back to see the final result with this installation. Brandon is working on that huge boat, so he's gonna have some time, but we're gonna do a lot of things, and when it's ready, we'll go out in it. Thank you, Benlari.